Here's how to make money on YouTube without showing your face by following this very simple method. It's a lot easier than you think. Let's go. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Abdel from the Entrepreneur Wealth channel, where I post content about affiliate marketing, but also about the different ways of making money online. So don't forget to subscribe because I post content on a regular basis. So in today's video, we're going to talk about how to make money on YouTube without showing your face. This is a very in-demand topic for a lot of people, and it is very understandable because you see those YouTubers making videos, making a lot of money doing so, and a lot of time they are showing themselves in front of the camera. They are showing themselves doing different kinds of different stuff, right? And you wonder, well, is that the only way of making money on YouTube, right? Is it possible to make money on YouTube without showing your face? And the answer is obviously yes, and I'm going to show you in this video how to do so. There are a ton of different ways for you to make money on YouTube without you having to show your face. But before we go any further, you really need to understand the science of making money online. And what I mean by that is, if you want to make money online, you need to understand that it is very important that you provide something of value to the other people that's watching you on their computer screen or on their phone. Okay, there's a ton of people using the internet nowadays, meaning that there are a ton of money flowing around on the internet. And if you want people to give you some of that money, you need to be able to give them something in return. And what I mean by that is you need to be able to provide them with some value. Maybe it's entertainment, maybe it's teaching them about something, maybe it's about providing a solution to a problem that they have. Whatever that is, you need to be able to provide them with some kind of value in order for them to trust you and to take out their credit card and start giving you money. Obviously, it's a little bit more complex than that, but in a nutshell, if you want people to pay you money or give you money, you need to be able to provide them with some kind of value in order for them to do so. So how can you go about making money on YouTube without showing your face? So I'm going to talk about 3 different ways that you can do so. But before I go further in this video, guys, do not skip this video, because later in this video, I'm going to show you an actual method of how you can earn up to $100 a day on YouTube without showing your face. So don't skip this video, watch till the end if you don't want to miss out on this, okay? So the 3 ways to making money on YouTube is you've got what we call affiliate marketing. So basically it's when you create content about a particular service or product, and when people buy those services or those products using your link, you earn a commission for every sale that you make. So affiliate marketing is very popular, and a lot of YouTubers make money off of affiliate marketing. So that's a very interesting way of making money on YouTube. And I'm going to show you how you can do that without showing your face. The second one is through YouTube AdSense. Now, this is most probably the #1 way that most YouTubers make money. So basically you create content on YouTube. By creating content, you attract viewers to your videos, and YouTube from time to time will show ads to those viewers and give you a small commission, a small portion of their revenue as a thank you for generating traffic for them. So YouTube AdSense is #2 and is usually the most popular way of making money for most people on YouTube, for most creators on YouTube. And then the third one is sponsorship deals. Now this one is a little bit more advanced. This usually happens for people who already have a huge following on YouTube, people who have a consistent amount of views on most of their videos. Usually those kind of YouTube creators will get approached by companies to maybe promote their products and services for a fixed amount of money. But I'm not going to talk too much about this because this is, as I've said, this is for more established YouTubers out there. But what I want to talk more about is affiliate marketing and YouTube AdSense, how you can make money from those two. I'm going to show you a very unique way of doing so. So let's talk how you can generate some money online, specifically on YouTube, through affiliate marketing and YouTube AdSense. If you can generate some money from both, that's even better, because then you earn more money. But even if you can only generate money from affiliate marketing only or YouTube AdSense only, that's still a good way of generating money online. So how can you go about doing this? One way is to promote a tool, an app, or a software that people are actively looking information about. Okay, maybe it's an app that allows them to do certain things and they want to learn more about this app. And what you want to do is you want to provide them with information by creating content on YouTube, so that when they come to you and watch your videos, they will be more likely to click on your link and buy that particular product from you. Maybe there's a software out there that you know there's a huge demand for it. You could go and learn how to use that software. I'm going to give you an example in a few minutes, but you could go and learn how to use that software and then create videos on YouTube showing people how to use that software, maybe giving a review of that software in particular, and giving them value, as I've said, showing people how to use the software, showing people different things that they might want to know about that particular software. And by doing this and by posting content regularly, you would not only generate a ton of traffic and earn money through YouTube AdSense, but you would also end up generating money through affiliate marketing, because then a lot of those people will really appreciate that you're providing so much value for them that they will click on your link and buy the product through your affiliate link. One really cool example I want to share with you where you can do this and you don't have to show your face. You can just screen record your computer showing people how to use this particular tool, and you can earn up to $100 a day doing this, is simply by promoting a platform like Wix. I'm sure you must have heard about Wix before. This tool has been around for quite some time now. And this tool basically allows you to build websites, to design websites. You can create online stores. This is a very, very popular tool. And you normally see a lot of those Wix videos on YouTube or on other social media websites out there. You see their ads everywhere. As a matter of fact, there are over 200 million users around the world that uses Wix. That's how popular they are. There's a huge demand for that particular tool. If I go through my vidIQ Chrome extension tool, they have like a keyword research feature in there, and you can see that on YouTube there are over 250,000 people searching for Wix on YouTube. So if you can put content about Wix, show people how to design websites using Wix, if you can provide a lot of value around Wix, then you could basically generate a ton of traffic for that particular keyword, and you could generate a ton of money through affiliate marketing as well as through YouTube AdSense. So basically what you could do is that you could create videos about, Wix tutorials, Wix website tutorials. As you can see, 65,000 searches every month. There's very low competition for that particular keyword. There's 94,000 searches every month for Wix website tutorial, very low competition. You could create videos about reviews, Wix reviews, how to create website, how to create your own website from scratch using Wix, how to create a website in Wix, 1,300 searches every month. There's another one here, Wix versus WordPress, 19,000 searches, very low competition. So you could create content on YouTube about this particular tool, and if you can do this consistently and post every day, you will eventually generate a ton of traffic, and a lot of that traffic will earn you money either through YouTube AdSense or affiliate marketing, as I said earlier. I want to stress this because this is very important. This is not a BS video on how to make money overnight. What I'm showing you here is how to build really a legitimate business earning money through affiliate marketing as well as YouTube AdSense. You don't have to show your face. You can simply screen record your computer screen and showing yourself how to create those websites, maybe showing some of those websites that you've created. You don't have to show your face doing that. And if you can do this consistently, maybe post a video or two, maybe one video every day, over time you will see that you will get ranked for those particular keywords and you will start generating a nice traffic every single day. To prove to you that this really works, if you go on YouTube and you type in Wix or Wix website, you'll see that there's already a ton of videos on this particular subject. Now, just because there are already some videos out there does not mean you can't create videos in that niche. There are a ton of people on YouTube, and if you create videos, YouTube will always find people to watch your videos. You just have to be consistent and post every single day. But as you can see, there are a lot of people who've created some videos about Wix. Now, if you go at the top here, you will see the video here at the top was posted about 1 year ago, and it has 597,000 views. And if we do some math here, let's say not even 1%, let's say 0.1% of the people who watch this video click on his affiliate link to buy a Wix subscription, because you need to understand that people are not just watching this video because they've got nothing to do. Okay, if this video showed up on their homepage, it's because YouTube knows those people are actively searching for this kind of video, and if people are clicking on this video and watching those videos, it's because they want to learn those kind of stuff. They want to learn this because they have the intention of buying a Wix account. So if you look at this particular video here, 597,000 views in the past year. And let's say 0.1% of the people who watch this video actually click on this person's affiliate link and bought Wix through his affiliate link. So 0.1% would be 0.001. Let's say multiply by 597,000. That's 597 people who might have bought Wix through his affiliate link. And since Wix is paying $100 commission for every sale, he could have made over $60,000 from that one video alone. So imagine if you can just post video consistently about Wix and generate some kind of traffic, you could start making some nice income, not just through affiliate marketing, but also through YouTube AdSense. And one more thing I want to really specify is that just because there are already a lot of videos out there does not mean you can't create videos in that particular niche as well. Also, just because you've already created a video on how to create a website on Wix does not mean the next day you can create the same video. I see a lot of people on YouTube who does that, who create pretty much the same kind of videos again and again and again, and they still get a ton of traffic every single day. Because you need to understand there are a ton of people on YouTube, and YouTube will always find new people to watch your videos. So all you have to do is, in this particular case, sign up for 4 weeks, for example, learn how to use the tool, and then show to people how to build websites, show to people information that they want to learn about this particular tool, and post consistently every single day. And if you do that, you can create a nice income through affiliate marketing and YouTube AdSense, and you wouldn't even have to show your face doing so. Simply screen record your computer and post every single day and remain consistent. There you go, guys. I hope you've liked this video. Don't forget to give this video a like, and if you really appreciate what I've showed you in this video, don't forget to subscribe as well, as I post content regularly. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.